Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 29, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong May 29, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, May 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 29, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 9.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for Wednesday, May 29, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of May 29, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.